Hi, and welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest and greatest design tips and tricks. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most important rooms in the house, the bathroom. Specifically, we'll be sharing some of the best bathroom remodel designs that will make your bathroom look beautiful and functional. Whether you're looking to upgrade your bathroom for your own use or to add value to your home, these ideas are sure to inspire you. So let's get started. Minimalistic design. The first design idea we're going to share is perfect for those who love a minimalistic style. This design is all about keeping things simple and clean. You can achieve this look by choosing a neutral color palette, such as white, beige, or gray, and using sleek, modern fixtures. Add a pop of color with a statement piece, such as a colorful rug or artwork, to give your bathroom some personality. Rustic charm. If you prefer a more traditional style, a rustic bathroom remodel might be the perfect choice for you. This design is all about using natural materials, such as wood and stone, to create a warm and inviting space. Consider adding a wooden vanity, stone tiles, and a vintage mirror to achieve this look. You can also incorporate natural elements, such as plants, to bring the outdoors in. Spa retreat. Who doesn't love a good spa day? With a spa-inspired bathroom remodel, you can enjoy the luxury of a spa in the comfort of your own home. Start by choosing calming colors, such as light blue or soft green, and incorporate soft lighting to create a relaxing ambience. Add some plush towels, candles, and bath salts for the ultimate spa experience. Modern and sleek. If you're a fan of contemporary design, a modern and sleek bathroom remodel might be perfect for you. This design is all about using clean lines and geometric shapes to create a minimalist look. Choose fixtures and accessories that are simple and streamlined, such as a wall-mounted sink, a frameless mirror, and a sleek bathtub. So there you have it, some of the best bathroom remodel designs to inspire your next renovation project. Remember to choose a design that reflects your personal style and needs, and don't be afraid to get creative. With the right design, your bathroom can become a beautiful and functional space that you'll enjoy for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.